Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your past trips on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do now is to go to your account settings. To do so, you will need to click here, and then we will go to account. After that, we will need just to go to our profile. We click on the profile, and here we will edit our profile. And at the bottom, we will find your past trips. Here you can control your past trips and the destinations that can be shown. So either you are going to disable it, or you are going to delete your past trips. Basically I don't have any trips, so that's why they aren't showing here. After that, you will need just to click on done, and your settings will be saved successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.